Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and finding out you've been fired. Not by your boss, not by HR, but by an AI. An AI that doesn't know you, doesn't care about you, and probably thinks your last 5 years of hard work can be replaced by an Excel formula. Sound crazy? Well, welcome to Elon Musk's vision for the US government. Buckle up, because this is where things get really weird. So, here's what's happening. Musk has fired tens of thousands of government employees. Why? Efficiency, apparently. And instead of hiring new people, he's letting AI handle the workload and decide who gets to keep their jobs. And get this. The remaining workers now have to send weekly emails with 5 bullet points about what they did that week. Basically, they've been reduced to writing, "Dear Overlord, please don't fire me," every Friday. And since nobody wants to read hundreds of thousands of emails that all say, attended meetings, answered emails, questioned my life choices, Musk is using AI to process them. Yeah, nothing says great decision-making like an algorithm deciding your fate based on how many bullet points you wrote. What could go wrong? Oh wait, a lot. Let's talk about the massive, flashing, neon red problem here. Nobody knows how this AI is making decisions. Is it rewarding employees who use the most exclamation marks? Punishing people who forgot a period at the end of a sentence? Does it think the IT guy at the Department of Agriculture is the same as the one at the Pentagon? Experts are freaking out, and for good reason. AI has already screwed up big time when put in charge of government systems. Remember Michigan? They let AI detect unemployment fraud. And guess what? It wrongly accused thousands of people. Some lost their benefits, some went bankrupt, all because an algorithm went full Minority Report and decided to guess who was cheating the system. And it's not just unemployment systems. Law enforcement AI has been caught over-policing minority neighborhoods because it was trained on biased data. So yeah, AI is really great at making fair and unbiased decisions. Now, imagine that same logic deciding who gets to keep their job in the government. What could possibly go wrong, right? If you're thinking, wait, this sounds like a terrible idea, congratulations. You have more common sense than an AI. Experts are basically saying, look, AI is great for some things, but it can't run an entire government. Why? Because AI doesn't understand anything. It just detects patterns. It doesn't know why a government employee's job matters. It just sees processed 10 reports and assumes that's the same as negotiated a peace treaty or ran cybersecurity for the entire country. It's like replacing firefighters with sprinklers. Sure, water will get thrown around, but when everything's on fire, you'll wish you had some actual humans. If you're wondering, wait, how did this get approved? The answer is simple. The Trump administration is all in on AI running the government. In fact, they even scrapped an executive order that required AI to be tested and verified before making big decisions. Because, who needs safety measures? So now, Musk and AI are in the driver's seat, and the question is, where are we headed? Is AI in the government a brilliant innovation? Or is this a Black Mirror episode waiting to happen? Should Musk be the one leading this charge? Or is this a terrible, terrible mistake? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you think. And if you want to stay ahead of every questionable tech decision, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay informed, stay skeptical, and for the love of all things human, don't let AI decide your next job promotion.